alligator with a hissing growl. It snaps its jaws and gives a scowl. B is for bee with a steady buzz. It zooms through flowers just because. C is for cat who meows so sweet. It purrs and stretches on little feet. D is for duck who quacks in the pond. It swims in circles and splashes beyond. E is for eagle who gives a screech. It soars up high and out of reach. F is for frog who croaks at night. It sings in the dark with a full moonlight. G is for goose with a honking sound. It struts and waddles all around. H is for horse who gives a loud neigh. It gallops and trots through fields of hay. I is for ibis who squawks in flight. It glides through the air, graceful and light. J is for jackal with a howl so deep. It calls to the pack before it sleeps. K is for kitten with a high-pitched mew. It climbs and tumbles, everything is new. L is for lion with a thundering roar. It echoes through plains forevermore. M is for mouse with a teeny squeak. It hides in the cupboard and plays hide and seek. N is for nightingale who sings so clear. It chirps and whistles for all to hear. O is for owl who gives a hoot. It blinks from a branch in a feathered suit. P is for pig with a jolly oink. It rolls in the mud without a blink. Q is for quacker with a cheerful chitter. It makes soft sound when it's feeling fitter. R is for rooster who crows at dawn. It wakes up the farm with the morning yawn. S is for snake with a hiss so sly. It slithers and slides as you walk by. T is for turkey with a gobble out. It struts around feeling very proud. U is for umbrella who booms like a drum with a call so deep it makes others hum. This V is for vervet monkey who chatters all day. It calls to its friends when they want to play. W is for wolf with a long wild howl. It sings to the sky with its pack on the prow. X is for yellow dog who barks with might. It guards its home both day and night. Y is for yellow warbler who sings in spring. It flutters and chirps as the robins sing. Z is for zebra with a bark like bray. It calls to the herd as it runs away.